Hi everyone. Today I would like to share some interesting information on the most common mistakes people do in order to treat their hair fall. The first common mistake being the fear of washing their hair. Second most common mistake is when people just keep on hopping products here and there. Any over-the-counter shampoo, any over-the-counter oil or the serums when you apply, not watching for what are the ingredients in it. Thirdly, thinking that only the topical hair care regime is going to fix your hair fall or hair loss. That is not true. One needs to be ruling out the hormonal factors like thyroid deficiency or some other male hormonal disturbances. So first, as I did mention, that you need to be washing your scalp regularly. So everyone, a man or a woman, everyone needs to be washing their scalp at least 3 times a week. Right selection of the shampoo like sulfate-free shampoos can help preserve the natural moisturizing factors within your scalp and within your hair strands. And thirdly, please make sure that if at all your hair fall is persistent beyond 2 or 3 months time, please go and check with your doctor to rule out any hormonal causes which might just be contributing to a long-term hair fall. So catch up with me on the next video for the new age fat freezing technology for permanent fat reduction.